Weather Channel.
The Weather Channel is brought to you by this cable or satellite provider. You can also get reliable forecasts from the Weather Channel through this radio station or visit weather.com.
Now your local on the 8's.
A flood watch and a high wind warning have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Currently, the temperature is 54 degrees with light rain. Here's our local Doppler radar. For tonight, windy with periods of rain, low 50. Winds north-northeast at 25 to 35 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 40 miles per hour. And on Monday, windy with rain, heavy at times, high 55. Winds north at 35 to 50 miles per hour. Winds could occasionally gust over 60 miles per hour. And Monday night, windy with rain, heavy at times, low 47. Winds could occasionally gust over 50 miles per hour. Our 7-day outlook.